Hey everyone, welcome back to Wally's Tech World, your go-to spot for everything tech, gadgets, and the coolest products on the market. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most talked about portable cameras of the year, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 gimbal camera. If you're searching for the ultimate compact camera for vlogging, travel, or professional grade video, you're in the right place. So grab a seat, hit that like button, and let's jump in. So, what exactly is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3? Simply put, it's a tiny but mighty 3-axis gimbal camera designed to give you buttery smooth footage in almost any situation. This little powerhouse fits in your pocket, but don't let its size fool you. With features like 4K video at 120 frames per second, active track 6.0, and wireless connectivity, it's a game changer for content creators, adventurers, and anyone who loves capturing life's best moments on the go. Key features of the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. 1. 4K/120 FPS video recording. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 can shoot in stunning 4K resolution at up to 120 frames per second. That's perfect for capturing ultra-smooth slow-motion shots or creating cinematic quality videos for your YouTube channel or social media. 2. What really sets the Osmo Pocket 3 apart is its 3-axis gimbal stabilization. Whether you're walking, running, or even on a bumpy ride, this gimbal keeps your footage rock steady. No more shaky videos, just professional grade smoothness. 3. Active Track 6.0. This is DJI's latest subject tracking technology, and it's incredibly smart. Whether you're filming yourself, your friends, or even fast-moving objects, the camera locks onto your subject and keeps it perfectly framed at all times. 4. Compact and lightweight design. One of the main reasons people love the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is its compact design. It weighs just 6.3 ounces and is small enough to fit in your pocket. Perfect for travel, vlogging, or just keeping it handy for those unexpected moments you want to capture. 5. Wireless connectivity and app integration. The Osmo Pocket 3 also comes with seamless wireless connectivity. You can pair it with the DJI Mimo app to access advanced controls, live previews, and easy video editing right from your smartphone. Now, you might be wondering, who is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 actually for? Well, let me tell you, it's perfect for vloggers. If you're a vlogger, this camera's portability and high-quality video make it a dream. Travel enthusiasts, it's lightweight and easy to carry, ideal for capturing those once-in-a-lifetime travel moments. Filmmakers on a budget, with its advanced features, you can achieve professional-grade shots without breaking the bank. Casual users, even if you're just looking to level up your everyday photos and videos, the Osmo Pocket 3 has got you covered. Like any gadget, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 has its pros and cons. Let's break it down. Pros: 1. Exceptional video quality, 4K/120 FPS and HDR support. 2. Stellar stabilization, thanks to the 3-axis gimbal. 3. Compact and portable, easy to take anywhere. 4. Feature-packed, active track, wireless control, and more. Cons: 1. Battery life. While decent, it's not the longest, about 2.5 hours of continuous use. 2. Price point. Higher quality comes with a premium price. 3. Limited zoom. If zoom is a priority, this might not be your top choice. Alright, the big question, is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 worth it? In my opinion, absolutely. If you're someone who values high quality video, portability, and ease of use, this camera is a solid investment. It's not just a gadget, it's a tool that can help you create stunning content and capture memories like never before. Current pricing is $419. Check the link in the description to get the most up-to-date pricing on this product. To get the most out of your DJI Osmo Pocket 3, here are a few tips and tricks. 1. Use Pro Mode. Unlock advanced settings like manual exposure and white balance for greater control. 2. Experiment with time-lapse. Capture stunning time-lapses with the built-in mode. 3. Invest in accessories. Get a tripod, external mic, or ND filters to elevate your content. 4. Keep firmware updated. Ensure your camera is running the latest software for the best performance. So, what do you think about the DJI Osmo Pocket 3? Are you ready to upgrade your camera game? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're planning to grab one, check out the link in the description to support the channel. Check out our other video where we compare this camera to 4 other popular action cameras.